So we say you want to know how to set margin and indentation. Okay, so here I have some random generated text here. Okay, so we'll be using these two paragraphs. So okay, let's say you want to set margin now. They say you set it to, so you go to page layout, and then go to the margins, or you can set it like this. You can select the normal already, and it's in normal mode, as you can see. So you can now select narrow, you can select moderate, you can different type, and to align like that. But before then, let's justify our work first, so you will not be confused. So if you want to customize the margin, you have to from here. You understand? So you can now go to custom margin here. So let's give the top and left 3.8 cm, alright, and set the bottom and right 2.45 cm, alright. So let's use this figures here: 3.81 cm, 2.45 cm. So I will still highlight the document like this. So you get to highlight it. So at the flow instruction shall, if you say you shall highlight your document and indent, you have to do so. Alright, so you go to margins here, then custom margin. What was the first thing there? So 3.81 cm, right? So you just repeat it here like this: 3.81. Alright, that is for the top and left together. You put the same thing there. Alright. According to, you said the bottom and right 2.45 cm. Alright, 2.45 cm. So you put the same thing here. So so you now click on OK. And it will come out just like that. So I think by default this is already in 2.45, like the left. This is the right hand side, sorry. So this is just how to set margin.